Okay, so this is 19th of February, guys, and let's go forward with the Leetcode daily challenge, and let's see what we've got. I guess, like, from last 4 to 5 days we are getting the string questions, and yeah, yet again we again got a string question, that is kth lexicographical string of all happy strings of length n, which means the happy string is basically consists of only letters of the set A, B, C, and no two characters are no two consecutive characters are same, right? Okay, no two consecutive characters are same, and we have to okay, we have to given 27 in k, consider a list of all happy strings of length n and sorted in lexicographical order. Okay, all the strings, happy strings of length n, are sorted in lexicographical order, and we have to return the kth string, right? So again, I don't know like why these guys are just giving us the string and backtracking question, because this is straightforward backtracking question. See, what we can do here is simple, that let's say these are the three characters, right? A, B, and C. We start with the empty string, and the we basically call a backtracking function. What we will do is we will firstly put A. Okay, now we will stop when we have got the length equal to n. Okay, when we have the string of length n, we will stop and see. Firstly we have A. Now again, next element what it can be, if the one element is A, next cannot be A because no two consecutive characters are same, so next will be B. Okay, after B, A again can be there, and this is exactly the lexicographical, in the lexicographical order this will be the first string of length 3, right? In any example given here, okay, n3 is given, and we have to find for k is equal to 9. Okay, see, this is the first string in the lexicographical order of length 3, right? Because no two characters are same, and after B again there are two options, C or A, but in lexicographical order the shortest is when we put A here. Okay, the smallest is when we put A here. Then next will be this, that A, B, C will be the next, correct? Now the next will be A here and C and A here, correct or not? AC, ABC, ACA, correct? And next is ACB. Similarly, we have to go forward. Now, what we can do here is, whenever we make any string, like we will apply this thing that only the smallest possible will be added in the string, and whenever we have the string ready, that means whenever we have the string of length n ready, we will increase a counter by 1, that may, which will basically suggest its position in the lexicographical order. This one time this is done, so +1 will be the counter, so it's the first position. Okay, next time we will backtrack, we will remove A, and what we will add, C we will add. Okay, again the length is again 3, and if the length is 3, the counter will be again incremented, so the counter is 2, means this is the second ranked in lexicographical order. Similarly, whenever our counter becomes equal to the value of k, we will return, right? So this is how we can approach this. See, in the code also it will be easy question. Obviously, let's say int counter is 0. Okay, and we call a function with an empty string, obviously, and with n and k values and also c values. Okay, and we will just return, we have to return when c equals to k. So if c equals to k, else we have to return the empty string. Okay, if c equals to k, then we will return a string. Let's say we define it here, let's just say, but we also need to define one more. Okay, we will see. So we can define it here, string answer. Okay, and we can send it right here. Fine. So then answer, and else an empty string. Now if we solve this, that void solve. First is the current string we have int n, int k, and int c, and string answer. Okay, now if at any point counter becomes equals to k, we will return. Okay, or the second thing being, if the size of the current string become equals to n, where what we will do is we will assign the current to answer. Okay, current will be again empty. Yeah, current will be obviously empty, that's not a matter. We don't have to make current empty, it will backtrack basically. But what we need to do is one thing, we need to increase the counter, means it is the next rank. Okay, and we will return. Now now we have only three characters, and out of these three, a is the smallest, c is the largest. In that way we have to run a for loop and add the smallest possible character, right? So in what way we can do that is, if we want to add a character here, like this is the empty string initially, and we want to character here, that will be obviously a here. Okay, how will add a, and after adding a, how will we make sure that next element is always added b? Okay, means the next element is not same to previous elements, only three elements are there, so the loop will be three times, and for these three characters, so what we can take is, we can take a string here globally, which is equal to abc, and let's suppose the answer is also defined there. Okay, let's remove this from here. Okay, so here answer, fine. So now what we will do is, answer is here, string is here, so we will go to each character of temp. Okay, so for char c char ch of temp, char ch of temp, we will pick up a character, and we will call the function again for ch plus the current string nkc, correct? And it will see, but we have to make sure that they are not consecutive to same characters. For that, uh, if ch is equal to current dot back, then we will continue. We want to go further for this with this character. Okay, but initially the string is empty, so obviously the string has something, the current has something. Current dot size must be greater than 0. After that, this condition will be checked, correct? So I guess this should work perfect. Yeah, we can remove it from here. Let's try running this. Okay, well, one wrong answer. AAC, it is returning as an AAC. AAC should not be there at the first place. So it's ABC, fine. Okay. Empty string, initially we are sending nkc, c is equal to k, then answer char ch of temp if current dot size is greater than 0, and ch is equal to current dot back. um why is it wait, c out, let's see the ch, and Current dot back, why is it giving a overflow error? What could be the issue here? I know that there must be some little thing which we are missing. What could that be? Because this approach is correct that firstly we will pick up A, right? And then if we can if this condition is correct that the last one is equal to this, then we will go to next element obviously. And in this way we are not changing current, basically we are just adding the character. Next time we will add different character, so that should work fine in terms of backtracking. But there might be one issue here. Okay, I think I got it. That we are adding ch plus current, it should be current plus character. Okay, character should be appended to the last. Yeah, exactly. Let's run this now. Exactly, yeah, that was the issue, and I have faced this issue earlier also. So yeah, I got it perfectly fine. Again, a pretty easy question for the day. And yeah, 100% again. So yeah, again it's a pretty easy question. I don't know why they just keep firing backtracking questions daily. They should try something different. Maybe graph, maybe trees, DP, maybe. So yeah, that's it for the day.